Vilson Chahaya here with us this morning on behalf of Anna's Greek Restaurant, and we know many of you are applauding because you finally have reopened almost 5 years after you bought that Victory Hill Baptist Church, historic church building downtown, 100 years old. Vilson, how does it feel to finally be reopened?
It feels great. Mission accomplished and the vision came through.
Let's take a look at some pictures, Vilson, because you walked into a building that needed a lot of repair. And again, 100 years old, things needed some work. What did you walk into? And it looks like maybe, is this before or after? That looks like an after picture.
This is a current picture.
Okay, so there's a before though.
Yes, that's a before. That's after we actually did a lot of tear down. This is outside, pretty much scrubbing the building out from all the mold. And this is the side of the venue side of the restaurant. This is taken down, pretty much the demo side. That's where the organ used to be.
If I remember correctly, this was sort of a impulse purchase, Vilson. Kind of showed up at this auction, and next thing you know, you've bought this building. Was it way more than you thought it was going to be as far as the remodel?
Yes, way a lot more. It was an impulsive buy, but I think a higher power guided me. And that's all I can say on that.
When you're buying a church building, so that makes plenty of sense. How did you see the potential to see in a 100-year-old church building? What gave you the idea, you know what, we could make a restaurant and an event venue out of this place?
Well, the building has unique architecture, unique bones and structure, has that already Roman Greek architecture, exterior and interior. And yes, it was in a rough shape, very rough shape. And believe it or not, I did not expect to be in that bad of a shape that it was. And that's why it took almost 5 years, and we had a lot of obstacles year after year. I was thinking I was getting closer and closer, and more we got into it, the deeper the hole got. And then a lot of red tape, being a historic place. So we had to get everything approved, everything we did. So that's another story in its own.
Sure, that is, a protected property because of that. I know, though, the Landmark Association has been, has applauded your efforts, and they've been very complimentary. Now look at the after, you guys. This is amazing, Vilson. It's gorgeous in there.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you.
The stained glass windows, are those original or are those new?
The stained glass windows are repaired. Those are the original stained glass that used to be there. And we iron hit her about 40% to 50%, and then I build it from there, rebuilt everything. All the windows have been rebuilt, all the frames have been rebuilt. Everything has been restored from scratch.
What is your vision for this new space?
My vision is to pretty much share this wonderful place for another probably 100 years or more. Be in our family, be a part of Bowling Green history. I mean, I rebuilt the whole facility with my own two hands, me and my father, day in, day out for about 4.5 years.
I read a story about you and your dad working on this, and I mean, what an experience for the two of you to share together and what you have to show for it. What about Anna? What was Anna saying about all of this?
Well, I mean, she would tell me, are you going to see your girlfriend every day in the morning? I would leave.
Where are you going all day, every day?
Truth to be known, since we opened up last Wednesday, not working with my father has been kind of disconnected because every day he would finish his other job and then come help work with me for about 6, 7, 8 hours. And now he comes and does small things, but I'm running 10 other things happening. So I miss working with my father, believe it or not. I enjoyed redoing the whole church with him. We did every inch of the place. We just didn't only, restore and recover. We actually created a lot of art in there.
Ah, you did. Almost bittersweet that the project sort of come to this close, as relieved as you are to see it finished. I understand that. So when can we come eat? I've heard the food is incredible.
Well, you can come eat any day now. We're open literally 7 days a week, Monday through Thursday. We're open 11 a.m. till 9 p.m. And then Friday and Saturday, we're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Sunday, 11 to 3.
And we can reserve the space for events, too?
Definitely. The restaurant, it's the space is pretty big. It's over 10,000 square feet, so it would be a waste to use it only for a restaurant. So we created an event venue as well.
Yeah, beautiful pictures. Thank you for being here with us this morning. I know you have to be exhausted. I know you're working
I'm
around
exhausted,
the clock.
but Anna's looking for help as well in the kitchen. So if anybody looking for work, please go to our website, annasrestaurant.com, or just come to a restaurant, walk in, we give an application on hand. Not just restaurant, kitchen help. We're needing servers, bartenders, dishwashers. We already hired about 15 people. We need another 15 more in order to complete our team.
Well, there you go.
Quite a bit of people.
All right. Thank you, Vilson. Happy New Year. The new Anna's Greek Restaurant is at 1202 State Street in downtown Bowling Green. Find them on social media at Anna's Restaurant and annasrestaurant.com.